Hello all, myself Professor Prachi Jain and hereby I am presenting my research paper on the topic A Study on Awareness and Attitude of People towards Swachh Sarvekshan Survey in Surat City. This paper has been helped by my PhD guide sir Dr. Mehul Kumar Desai sir. Introduction on Swachh Sarvekshan Survey. It has been started by Sri Narendra Ji Modi on 2nd October 2014 on the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi Ji. The Swachh Bharat mission aims to provide sanitation facilities, toilets, solid and liquid waste disposal system and many much things. We'll not go in detail regarding this. Then we'll see the Swachh Sarvekshan Survey 2020 overall result was that it was divided into three quarters: April, June, July, September, and October, December 2019. They all of the sector holds 25 percentage weightage, and the schedule was commenced from 4th January 2020 across India. In that years, SMC has worked very hard to aware the people regarding the citizen feedback under Swachh Sarvekshan survey. Now let us see in what manner we can give the feedback. Citizen can give feedback in four manners. First, through vote by downloading the city app. Second, by downloading Swachhata app. Third, by going to portal SS 2020 portal. And last, by calling on 1969. Now let us see this. This is the some overview result of Surat city observed in 2016. It ranked 6th, 2017, 4th, 2018, 14th, and 2019 again 14. So we can see that there was a drastic change in the ranking system, and the main reason was citizen feedback score. So here, as a citizen of Surat city, we all should focus much on giving our feedback. Literature review, we are avoiding that. Then comes statement of problem. The main reason for doing the survey is to study the awareness and attitude of people towards Swachh Sarvekshan survey in Surat city. From the review of past survey, it was observed that Surat city has often scored lesser marks in criteria of citizen feedback, which I have told just now. So this is the main reason, and also find out the reason behind the unawareness among the people, and also the perception of Surat city people related to Swachh Sarvekshan. Objectives of my study. The main objectives of the research are: first, to study the level of awareness of people towards Swachh Sarvekshan survey, to identify the attitude of people towards Swachh Sarvekshan survey, and to know the awareness of people about sources and means of giving feedback. Then significance. After the data analysis, the ratio of awareness can be given to SMC for their finding out their loophole or improvement needed. Research approach will be quantitative and also qualitative. I have selected a sample size of random 100 respondents for the study. The forms have been filled by the Google Forms, and 150 people have approached. Among them, I have selected the 100 respondent. This was the result of awareness level regarding Sarvekshan survey. Year in which Sarvekshan survey was initiated, many were aware, but there are a lot of people who are not aware by whom Sarvekshan survey initiated. Many knows that. So this was some questions related to a result of awareness level. Then awareness regarding criteria construction. Many people are not aware that what are the criteria covered under Swachh Sarvekshan survey. Actually, the six criteria mentioned are covered up under Swachh Sarvekshan survey, but many of them are unaware regarding the same. So we can see that also in awareness regarding means of giving feedback, many of them have given feedback through app, but the result found by the survey is that many of them are unaware by giving their feedback through SS 2020 portal and also by calling on 1969 number. Some of my findings are: from the general profile of the respondent, the study found that gender ratio is almost equal. There was no correlation between education and awareness. Majority of the respondents were aware about only two parameters, that is community hygiene and health of an individual. Third, the analysis of the study found that there is a basic knowledge of awareness among people related to Survection survey, but few variables like giving feedback through 1969 number was found unaware. This source can be promoted more among the general people, as there are many people who are not having smartphones, so this is the only mean by which they can give their feedback. Moreover, highest levels of awareness found among respondents were by whom Survection survey initiated, and they were unaware regarding the things included in that, and also awareness has been seen much with the use of social media guiding regarding the benefits of giving feedback. Finally, the attitude measurement through chi squared test, it is found that people have positive attitude towards Swachh Survekshan survey, but few of them found undecided regarding biasness of result, activities and processes carried out, which will be benefit to get the highest rank. The study limitations of the study might be having sampling as well as non-sampling error. The study is restricted to the sample of 100 respondents that may be unable to generalize on total population of Surat city. So conclusion is the study aimed at identifying awareness and attitude. The study employed simple frequency distribution and chi-square test to fulfill the said objectives. The study analyzed that people are basically aware about the fundamental of Swachh Sarvekshan survey, but majority of them are aware of giving feedback through the means of call on 1969. Further study found that attitude of people towards SS is positive. However, in few cases, majority seems undecided, like biasness of result and activities and process carried out, which will be benefit to get the highest rank. The study analyzed that residents of Surat city should be more dedicated towards giving their feedback, which should be taken at a serious note for our Surat city to score a good rank. So these are bibliography. Thank you so much.